Hey, what's up everybody? This is your Keto Chef Rob. Today we are taking an Italian staple, which is eggplant. We're slicing it thin, put it in a casserole dish, some ground beef, and now we got lasagna. It turned out amazing. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And at the end, if you loved it and want to try it, make sure you share it. I really appreciate it. All right guys, let's get into it. Let me show you how to make this eggplant lasagna. Let's do this. So this is a large eggplant. They come in all different shapes and sizes. We're just going to take the top and the bottom off, and that's going to make it easier to peel. Just use a vegetable peeler here. And you can use a mandolin. Actually, there's a lot of different ways to slice this really thin. If your knife skills aren't that good, I've linked a couple products in the description below, like a mandolin, that can help you slice this more consistently. The thinner the slices, the more layers you can do in this recipe. What we want to do is we want to make sure they're completely covered in salt. So I laid each one out individually like this so that when I cover it with salt, I know it's nice and even. And this looks like a lot of salt, and it is. However, you'll see a little bit later that's going to draw a ton of water out. And then we're going to wipe it off with a towel. And it's really not going to be too salty at all, I promise. So even if it makes a big mess, this step is crucial. We're going to start with a heavy pan, some olive oil. We're going to start cooking our meat down. Now I'll leave this up to you what you want to put in here, but mushrooms, onion, and garlic, I'm keeping it simple. By the time our meat is fully cooked, 10-15 minutes, and you can see how much water these eggplant slices gave off. They've completely changed in texture. They're a lot more stiff. Okay, last thing we gotta prep is the ricotta cheese. We're adding an egg to it, half a cup of ricotta, 1 egg, and what that egg's gonna do is gonna help stiffen up that ricotta in the oven. As we know, marinara, you gotta be careful with it on the keto diet. I'm using just 1 tablespoon at the very bottom of this. And then we're going to use a couple tablespoons when we finish it. So all in all, like 3 tablespoons, 4 portions. We should be okay in this recipe. First layer, completely cover that bottom. Add a scoop of ricotta to each slice. And then we're going to layer it in. Now you can do as many layers as you want. I'm doing just 2 layers of meat, scoop of ricotta on each, layer of meat, eggplant again. And to finish it, we're going to finish it like a pizza. We're going to put some marinara down. And if you're worried about the sugar in this, skip the marinara step. I'm doing like a margarita pizza topping with some chopped basil, some mozzarella, parmesan, and marinara. Whew. This tasted good. Boom. Toss this in the oven. 400 degrees. Take it out when you see that top starting to get bubbly and brown. I know it's hard, but it's really important to let this rest because when you take it out, you want it in one beautiful piece like this. Dare I say, eggplant better than noodles? I don't know. This turned out amazing. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video, guys. It means you loved it. So share this video. You know other people would love it. As always, keep it keto. Peace.